Alright, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the complete tutorial on how you can use Google Bard AI. Now, if you don't know about Google Bard AI is the new AI chatbot that was introduced by Google in response to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Now, with Google Bard, you can do a lot of things that are not currently available on ChatGPT. Right now, I'm going to take you to the website. I will even drop the link to that website in the description of this video so you can easily access the website. Now, what you are going to need to access this website is just your Gmail account, because it is owned by Google. So definitely you are going to need a Gmail account to access the website and use the website. So let me take you to that website right now and show you everything, how it works from the beginning to the end. Now, to visit the Google Bard AI's website, you can just Google search Google Bard AI, or you go directly to your browser and type in bard.google.com. So you click on the website. If you Google search on your browser, so you are going to click on the first website, or you can take the website in the description. You can click the website in the description, so it will take you directly to the Bard AI chatbot. So this is when you just want to create your new account. You just click on the website. This is what you are going to see. Now you can see the Bard AI is currently in the experiment stage. All right, so it is not fully developed yet, just like ChatGPT when it was released some months ago. So currently it is now in experimental stage, and it may not give you accurate result, but you can still use it to do a lot of stuff. So what you want to do right now is to click on try Bard. So once you click on try Bard, you are going to accept their terms and conditions. So once you agree to the terms and conditions, it's going to take you to the next stage. Now from here, you can, if you want to stay updated on Bard improvement, you want to get new update about their improvement inside your email, you are going to opt in. You click on this one to opt in and click on continue. Now from here, this is the interface. You can see the interface is much more better than ChatGPT's interface. Now you can see right now, the first, you can see different stuff right here. You can see the menu. You can hide the menu right here, and this is Bard activity. These are your activities. When you generate a new chat from Bard AI, you are going to see all your activities right here. So, and you can choose to store your activity or not. You can turn it on and you can switch it off. If you don't want Bard AI to store your activity, you can turn it off. All right, but it is a good thing for you to save your activity, because you may want to come back to them later. And secondly, you may turn on auto delete, or you turn it off. So if you want to turn it off directly, just click on it and don't auto delete activity. If you want to turn it off, don't auto delete activity. That is, it won't delete all your activities. So, but if you want to auto delete your activities, you can select the duration of month for your activity. That is, any activity that is more than 18 months will be deleted. You can increase it to 36 months or 3 months. So once you select whatever works best for you, you click on next, and it's going to be okay. That is that about setting up your Bard AI activities. So if you want to see all of your activities, you are going to see them right here. Whenever you start chatting on the chatbot, you are going to see your activities right here. So the next thing you want to do right now is the frequently asked questions. So the frequently asked questions are just questions people ask about Bard AI. So you can just go through them to know more about this Bard AI. So I'm going to go on to the next one on that interface right now, is the updates. All right, the improvement on the website since its launch date. So it was launched on I think on April. So, and since then there has been a lot of improvement on the website. So you can add more variety to draft. That is, when you generate a result, it's going to give you 2 or 3 different drafts of that same result, which is not available on ChatGPT. Now Bard AI can also help you with coding and any other programming from C+ to Java to JavaScript and all of this stuff. It can help you generate code for all those programming languages. And secondly, you now have access to Google Workspace account from the Bard AI platform. And the next one, which I find very helpful, is the ability for you to export your result from Bard AI to Google Docs or Gmail account. Okay, let's say you want to write an email and send it to someone, and you generate that email from bad AI, so you can just automatically export it to your email and send it directly instead of copying it and taking it to your email address. So basically, whenever you export to Google Docs, it's going to export the answer to the Google Docs of that Gmail account you used to log into the platform. Now the next thing you want to do is you can decide to choose between light theme or dark themes. Bad AI has more countries, and more people can now use bad AI from different countries, up to 180 countries. Now the next thing you want to do right now is the help and support. So if you need help or support, you are not finding some things there, you can't use some of the features, you can come over here to browse the topics and all those stuff. Now we're going to try a prompt right now and see how this works. You can try any of this prompt right here, so you can try them, but I'm going to enter my own prompt and generate a result using bad AI. Now here is my prompt right now. I said, how can I make money as a photographer without showing my face in a video online? So want to generate this one right now, and you can also record a voice. If you don't want to type, you can record a voice note, and it's going to just record your voice and click on the microphone. It's going to send it to the bad AI, and it's going to generate your response for you. So right now I've entered my own prompt, and I'm going to click on this submit right now. So one thing I noticed about bad AI is that the response rate is very fast compared to ChatGPT's response. So instead of typing your response one by one, it generates them and just paste them directly to your response. Now the first thing you want to see right now, you can decide to edit your text. If you notice that there is an error in your question, so you can edit the text and regenerate to update the question. Now another thing here is the draft. All right, so when you type in your prompt and you generate a response, bad AI will give you 2 or 3 other responses that you can go through, which is not available on ChatGPT. Basically on ChatGPT you have to regenerate your response again. So right now you click on view other draft, you can see 3 different drafts right here that you can select from that answers your question in 3 different formats. So you can just go through any of them. This is the first format, as you can see right here. So these are the things you can do as a photographer if you don't want to show your face online. So these are the things you can do. If you are not satisfied with this response, you can switch to the next one. It's going to show you the other responses as well, and you can even switch to the other responses. You can see right now this is another draft which is different from the 2 other drafts. So you have 3 options to select from. All right, now another thing you can do is that you can thumb up or thumb down your response. If you don't like your response, the response the AI gave you, you can thumb it up or you can thumb it down. Now the next thing, if you want to export this response to your Google Doc or to your Gmail account, you just click on this one to export response. Now if you're going to ask you, where do you want to export your response to? Is it to Google Docs or to draft in Gmail? So if you want to export to Google Docs, just click on export to Docs. So it's going to export your content to your Google Doc. Now if you want to visit the content, you want to see the content that you generated, you just click on open docs, and it's going to take you to that content on your doc. Now if you want to export to your Gmail, so you click on export and tap on draft in Gmail. It's going to draft the email for you and send it to your Gmail. So we are going to open the Gmail right now. From there you can edit it and do whatever you want with it. Now this is the document right now that was generated from the bad AI, that was exported from bad AI to my Google Doc right now. So as you can see, so you can now edit and add whatever you want to add to it before you use it for anything you want to use it for. The next one is the export from bad AI to Gmail. Now here is our export from the Google Bad AI to Gmail. So you can see right now it uses our question as the subject of the email. Then here are the contents of the email. So you can now edit and add your recipients before you send it to whoever you want to send it to. So that is basically how you can export from bad AI to either Google Docs or to your Gmail. Now another option here is if you want to Google this this question right here, you are not satisfied with the answer but you want to Google it to see more responses. So you can click on Google it. It's going to show you some of the related topics that are related to your question. So here are some related questions to my original question right now. Is it how to make money as a photographer? Do photographers make good money? Is photography a good career? So whichever one you want to go for, just click on any of them. It's going to take you directly to Google to show you some of the answers directly from Google. This is something that is not available on ChatGPT yet. Now the next thing is to click on more right here if you want to copy it to any other place or wherever you want to copy it to. So just click on this one and copy. This will enable you to copy your text without the dark background, because if you go ahead to select this one right here to copy it to your Google Doc or wherever, it's going to copy a dark background with your text. But if you don't want that, just click on this option right here and click on copy. Right, then you can now paste to wherever you want to paste it without the black background. So let me copy it first right here and show you what I mean. So if you copy directly and paste it here right now, you can see the dark background. So if you don't want that, what you want to do is to click on copy. You click on this one and copy. So once you are done copying your response, you come over here and paste. You can see the dark background is not there. Right, so that is basically how you can easily copy your content from bad AI to any other places you want to paste your answer to. Now another thing you may want to do right now is if you want to switch between the light theme and the dark theme. Right, just come over here and click on it. It's going to switch between the light theme and the dark theme. Other options right here is if you want to see your bad activity. All right, I have already generated some activities, so we are going to see some of the activities we've done on this website right now. So you can see today right now I just generated this particular prompt. So whenever you generate a new prompt or whenever you type in a new question to get an answer, you are going to see all your activities right here, and you can tap on this to delete it, or you can tap here to delete all of your responses for that particular day. So another thing you may want to try is the reset chart. So if you are done with this chart, you can reset it to the beginning. It's going to ask you, maybe you are sure you want to reset, just click on reset, or if you want to cancel. So once you click on reset, it's going to reset everything. Now that is basically everything about Google Bard AI. So if you enjoyed this video right now and you want to see more contents like this on this YouTube channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on my new contents. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching.